today we're gonna do some riding on some twisters, and I haven't planned this video, so I think we're just gonna do some riding. I don't think I'm gonna talk that much because people, you know, they want to see how the GSXR rides, how I ride, whatever. So I think we're gonna keep quiet, not say much, and just ride basically. See how we'll get on. It's pretty cold, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's about 11 degrees, which is really cold considering what it has been, so yeah, that's not too great. But we're just gonna see how we get on. Let's go. It's so nice that colour, isn't it? We're riding it in A mode again. I've not really taken it out of A mode, to be honest. I will do at some point to let you know what the difference is, but I'm perfectly happy with it in A mode at the minute. I expected it to be a little bit snatchy, maybe a bit much for the road, but it's completely fine. Even as you saw from my commuting video, it's completely fine, so I felt no need to change that, so we'll leave it in A mode. Traction control is still set to 6. I haven't changed that, just not felt the need to, so we'll just leave it on that. It's a bit cold, there are some damp patches, so we'll leave it on 6. So yeah, let's go. I'm just cruising along here, we'll have a bit of a chat. So I do find this to be really confidence inspiring when it comes to the corners. I'm not sure whether that's because it's nimble enough, it feels pretty light when you're riding it, or the fact that it's a sports position and it just feels maybe more natural for cornering, because you're not turning the bars, you're just sort of leaning it with your body, letting the bike, sending the bike the way you want it with your body rather than going like turning the bars. It definitely does inspire confidence in that way, which obviously is good, because coming from naked I thought I'd get on a sports bike and I thought, oh, this is going to feel really weird, it's going to be hard to get used to, but it's really not. As soon as you get on it, you just sort of gel with it, and I think we tend to overthink things a lot more than we need to. That's at least what I did, definitely, because I was thinking, oh, it's going to take me ages to get used to, but as soon as you get on it, you just sort of, a couple of corners, you know exactly what the crack is and what gets it to turn, so you don't need to worry about stuff like that. But yeah, it's a brilliant bike and it sounds really good. I'm not sure how well you can hear it on the GoPro, but in the commuting video you could kind of hear it. It does sound really good, and when you're on it as well, it does sound really loud, even with that standard exhaust. It does you know, it's got a good tone to it when you're going for it. So passerbys might not really hear you, but as long as it sounds good to you while you're riding it, you know, that's a big thing. And it does sound good. You feel like you're in the zone, you know. As I said in one of my other videos, if you have any questions about this bike, anything you'd like me to address, let me know and we'll try and fit it into one of my videos, whatever it is. The problem is with riding videos on the internet, you either get you're too slow, or you're riding like an absolute idiot and you're going to kill yourself or other people. That's where you always get those two. You need to sit in between, because I've had people comment on mine, oh, you're riding too slow, you not give it anything at all. But the thing is, I'm uploading a video to the internet. I can't do stupid stuff to a certain extent. I don't understand why people can't fathom that and realise that's why. So it's hard to get a middle ground of not driving like a complete idiot or riding, but you know, going fast where it's suitable and whatever. So hopefully we can sort of get around that comment, because it does get pretty boring and it's just common sense if you ask me. I know there's a lot of people in other countries that ride like absolute idiots and put it on the internet, but that's not how it works over here. So yeah. So busy. On the road, leaves. Again, we're just on the road, not gonna risk it.